amazing. Guys, simply amazing. Oh, brilliant. Ooh, more than 5,000. Hello friends, this is Simon, a professional trader with 8 years of experience with a win rate of 89.2%. Throughout my career, I have executed over 800,000 trades, and my strategies and notifications have already helped more than 16,000 people start achieving results in trading. Yes, and I was featured on the list of the top traders under 30 in 2024. Today, I'm gonna share my proven strategy, which I've perfected over the years and which is suitable even for those who have never traded before. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find optimal entry points for trades and how to start achieving results in trading, even if you're a beginner. All you need to do is follow along. Yes, it's that simple. Get comfortable because you're about to discover only proven tools and real results. Let's get started. But before we continue, I have an important opportunity for those who don't just want to watch videos, but actually want to understand trading. I've created a private community where I share my experience, strategies, and actions that help participants move forward with confidence. My channel has over 16,000 members, and every day I share my market insights and post my trading decisions. I show every trade in real time, explain my actions, and highlight key aspects that are important even for beginners. And here's the greatest part. Access to the channel is still free, but I can't guarantee it will stay that way for long. If you want to become part of this community, click the link in the description. I'm confident that this is your chance to finally learn trading with guidance and clear steps. I'll see you in our club. Now, let's continue. It's time to get ready for a trading session. Right now, I'm gonna walk you through one of my strategies that works for both beginners and experienced traders. I'm starting with just 10. Let's see how much I can make by the end of this session. So you can see my balance is only 10. I withdrew all my savings on purpose to show you the final result clearly. Now let's do a quick setup. Trade time 1 minute. Trade amount 10. Candlestick time frame 30 seconds. We're selecting 6 pairs, my favorite: Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, Australian dollar and Swiss franc, Bahraini dinar and Chinese yuan, Euro and Swiss franc, Euro and Japanese yen, and Australian dollar and United States dollar. Now let's get to the most exciting part, indicators. For this strategy, we'll use 2 indicators, stochastic oscillator and zigzag. Stochastic helps identify market dominance, whether bulls, the buyers, or bears, the sellers, are in control. If stochastic is above 80, the asset is overbought, meaning the price will likely to go down soon. If stochastic is below 20, the asset is oversold, meaning the price is likely to rise. Second indicator, zigzag, connects the highest and lowest price points. If the chart crosses itself, it shows a trend change. Zigzag helps filter out minor price movements so we can focus on the bigger trends. The combination of these 2 indicators allows us to analyze price movements and find the perfect trade entry point. Now I'll show you how to use them in real time. Euro and Swiss franc. The price reached a peak and started a downward movement with a small correction, which we'll take advantage of. On the stochastic indicator, the blue line crosses the orange line from top to bottom, confirming a downtrend, so we open a lower, pressing the red button. The overall downtrend continued, the trade closed successfully, not a bad start. Switching to the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar currency pair. On the chart, we see a strong uptrend with a slight correction. The stochastic is below the 20 level, meaning the asset is oversold and is starting to reverse. The blue line crosses the orange one from bottom to top. We open a higher. The indicators worked perfectly, showing the perfect trade entry point. Let's keep going. Now let's move on to the third trade. We have Australian dollar and United States dollar. We can see that the price has tested the same level twice but failed to break it. The indicator shows that the price second peak was lower than the first one, indicating an upcoming downward reversal. The perfect point to open the lower is at the peak of the green bullish candlestick, and There it is. Perfect. The score went up again, and this is just the beginning. Euro and Swiss franc. Here we see a downward trend. We just need to catch a correction movement upward. The stochastic is bouncing off the lower level in the oversold zone and starting to reverse. And here it is, a red candlestick with a long lower wick. That's a sign of reversal, meaning we should open higher right now. Finally, we've hit 100 mark, but we are not stopping here. Things are about to get even more interesting. Also, back when I got started, I had no clue where to begin. I was lucky enough to have a mentor who guided me. Now, I want to be that mentor for you. I genuinely enjoy sharing value with newbies who want to make it in trading. In my Telegram channel, I share daily signals that are tried and tested. A beginner just needs to copy them and see results. My trading strategy represents 8 years of experience and over 10,000 hours of practice. I trade live, and all you have to do is follow my steps. The channel is free at the moment, but I'm not sure how long that will last. Click the link in the description now and subscribe so you don't miss out. My videos might never pop up in your feed again. I'll personally help you get started making money. Don't waste any time, we'll be waiting for you in our trading community. Euro and Japanese yen. The trend has already reversed here. The zigzag indicator is showing a peak and stochastic is in the overbought zone, starting to turn around. The orange line crosses the blue line from top to bottom. We open a lower. Another trade followed by our scenario, not bad, but I want more. Australian dollar and Swiss franc. The chart shows that the price tested the level twice but failed to break through and move higher. The stochastic indicator entered the overbought zone, making it ideal to open a lower trade near this resistance level. Let's enter the trade now, pressing lower. Perfect, that was a smart entry. Awesome, almost 485. We've picked up a great pace, let's keep going. Bahraini dinar and Chinese yuan. Here we see how the price was moving sideways near the upper level, and as soon as it broke through the resistance, stochastic went beyond the upper boundary into the overbought zone. At the same time, the blue line of the indicator crosses the orange line from top to bottom. This shows the start of a downtrend, opening a lower option. Ooh, that was risky. That's exactly why I always tell you, stick to risk management so you don't lose everything by accident. But we increased the score again. Awesome, let's keep moving. Euro and Japanese yen. The stochastic indicator has been in the overbought zone for quite some time now. The second indicator zigzag has hit a maximum. Let's catch the highest point on the candlestick and open a lower option. Perfect, plus 1,787. Now, stay calm. Emotions are not your friend in trading. Take a deep breath and let's move forward. Look at what the Australian dollar and Swiss franc are offering. The price has reached a local minimum around 0.577. Stochastic has dropped below the 20 level into the oversold zone. This means the trend is likely to go up soon. And there it is. The blue line crosses the orange line from bottom to top, indicating the beginning of an uptrend. Waiting for the green high button. Another successful trade. Now we need to focus on the final trade to hit our goal. Euro and Japanese yen. During an uptrend, we see correction as the price dips slightly. Stochastic crosses the lower level and enters the oversold zone, starting to reverse. We press higher. and wait. Mission accomplished. 5,730 from the last trade go to our score. Our total trading result for today is 6,164. I think this is a solid proof that our strategy works. Friends, imagine having the knowledge to move confidently toward your goals and make informed decisions. The freedom to travel, support your loved ones, and live the life you've always dreamed of. That's all possible with the right know-how, consistent work, and smart choices. My community is not just a group of like-minded individuals. It's a place where people study the market, exchange ideas, and get access to my daily market analysis. I explain my steps, share the experience I've gained over years of work, and show even newcomers how to understand the market. Right now, the community is open for anyone ready to learn and move forward. Access is free. All you need to do is click the link in the description under this video. Come join us. This is your chance to pick up new knowledge today. I'll be waiting for you in our community.